Want to know how to use Agent GPT for beginners? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use Agent GPT if you are using it for the first time. So the purpose and the work of Agent GPT is simple. What you need to do is you just need to name the Agent GPT right here and make a goal of it, and then just simply start it. So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial. So here I'm just going to write a name. So once I've written a description right here, you can just simply select play, and here you can also select tools right here in order to see tools like generate images, search, and much more. So you can just simply connect your data for more as well. So close, and you can just simply start it like here, and that's it. Now it should think and it should create you your own Agent GPT, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.